will have higher boiling point? Seawater or well water? Seawater will have a higher boiling point. You know, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of seawater will be greater than 100 degrees Celsius. What is the reason? Seawater contains large quantity of non-volatile solutes dissolved in it. And you have studied the vapor pressure of the solution will be always less than the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Boiling point is inversely proportional to the vapor pressure. So, boiling point of a solution will always be greater than the boiling point of the pure solvent. That is why seawater has a higher boiling point. So, this increase in boiling point of the solvent, when a non-volatile solute is dissolved in it, is called as the elevation of boiling point. If T0B is the boiling point of pure solvent and TB the boiling point of the solution, then the elevation delta TB will be equal to TB minus T0B. TB is the boiling point of the solution minus T0B, the boiling point of the pure solvent. We can represent this elevation in boiling point using vapor pressure temperature graph. Let us see it from the graph. The x-axis has temperature and vapor pressure is taken on the y-axis. We will have two graphs, one for the solvent, other for the solution. Vapor pressure of solvent is higher, so it will be the upper curve. Solution will have a lower vapor pressure, so it will be the lower curve. Boiling point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Here I am denoting the atmospheric pressure as 1 atm, and you see the corresponding temperatures. So for solvent, it will be meeting at T0B, and T0B represent the boiling point of the pure solvent. At this temperature, you can see the vapor pressure of solution will be much less than 1 atm. From the curve, boiling point of the solution is TB, and you can see from the graph TB is greater than T0B. The difference between the two will give you the elevation of boiling point delta TB. Elevation of boiling point is a colligative property. It depends on the solvent only and not on the identity of the solute. And delta TB is proportional to the molality of the solution M. We are using molality because it is independent of temperature. Molality is depending on temperature, so we are not using that in this calculation. So delta TB will be equal to Kb into M. The constant Kb is called the molal elevation constant or boiling point elevation constant, and also known as ebullioscopic constant. Now, if you take the molality of the solution is equal to 1, we will get from the equation delta TB will be equal to Kb. So how will you define Kb? Kb is the elevation in boiling point of a 1 molal solution. That is, if the molality of the solution is 1, then the elevation in boiling point is called the molal elevation constant. Now let us see what is the unit of this molal elevation constant. So we have delta TB is equal to KB into M. So KB will be delta TB by M. Delta TB has the unit Kelvin. So it will be Kelvin molal power minus 1. You can expand this unit by substituting the unit of molality. The unit of molality is mole per kg. So the unit becomes Kelvin mole per kg whole power minus 1, or it will be Kelvin kg mole power minus 1. You can use either of the two units while doing problems. One thing to be remembered here is, as far as delta TB is concerned, you can express it in Kelvin as well as in Celsius. In both units, the value will be the same. So, for delta dB, don't add 273 while converting from Celsius to Kelvin.